Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well, you saw it. We've got our hands on the Apple Watch Series 7. Now this watch here this year has a few nice upgrades. One of them is a really nice larger display, some stronger crystal, faster charging, and more. So let's get started. Hi, this is Al from techmadeezy, and I just want to take a moment and let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. We're still a small channel, so we have to buy the products that we review. When you hit like, subscribe, and share our videos, you're definitely helping our channel. We sure hope this video helps you in some way or entertains you in some way. If it does, please give us a like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and lastly, make sure you ask some questions below, or maybe make a comment. We love that. All right, well, let's get this unboxed. All right, so it's opened, and you get, obviously, your charging cable here in this box, along with some instructions, nothing major, in this box here. And you get the watch, which, we're going to go ahead and put this on the band, and we're going to try it out. We're going to use it for a while and see if the battery has improved. All right, but this is supposed to be a larger display at 45 millimeters. The crystal is supposed to be 50% thicker overall. Now, I don't know if it's 50% thicker versus the Series 6, but that is their statement. It has improved durability, a new IPX6 dust resistant, which means it's fully dust resistant. It has faster charging and more. So let me go ahead and put the bands on and not bore you, but you do get a smaller band, a larger band. So I'll put one on and then I'll come right back. So let me start off by saying I live in two worlds. I live in the Apple world with the new Series 7 watch and the iPhone 13 that I just picked up. But I also live in the Samsung world with the Watch 4 and the Fold 3 that I have been using. Now, I use Samsung for work and iPhone for personal, and that just works for me. Let's move on and do some close-ups of the Watch 7. Let's take a close-up of the display. Now, this is the 45 millimeter, so it is the largest model out now. The previous model was a 44 millimeter, okay? So as you can see, this specific display, this watch face actually goes, edge to edge. It's a nice design. Take a look at the bottom. Take a look at the side. There's a close-up look at the new Series 7. Let's go over what's new and what's the same with the new Series 7. So first of all, I do really love the large display and the way the Series 7 wraps around, giving you more screen real estate, which is really nice. Another feature they've enhanced is fall detection. Now, fall detection is now available when you bike ride by choosing the cycle. And if you fall, the watch can contact emergency assistance as well as some chosen contacts that you have selected under emergency in the Apple menu. Now, if you do fall, it is crack resistant. It has the strongest crystal ever. It's 50% thicker. Also, it's dust resistant, IP6X certified, and water resistant up to 50 meters. The Series 7 also has ECG, which is electrocardiogram. Here it goes. The Series 7 also has blood oxygen sensors. There you go. Another nice feature about Series 7 is it charges 33% faster. Another nice thing about Series 7 is it is compatible with the previous bands, which is important. I also like that it comes in 5 new colors, as well as 2 different finishes, stainless steel and titanium. As far as pricing, the Series 3, which is still available, starts at $199. The SE starts at $279. And the Series 7 starts at $399. All right, so here are my final thoughts. Battery life, 2 days, pretty much the same as the 6 and the 5. So I'm dying for that to improve. I am loving the large display, so I really like that. I love that even if you get a smaller size, you get more real estate on the screen, which is really nice. I'm loving the faster charge time, 33% faster. I mean, if you have to deal with, charging this in the middle of the day, it does a really, really good job. I love that this is more durable, which is nice, with the dust proof and the stronger crystal. And, bottom line, Apple kills it. I've got the Samsung smartwatch. I've got the OnePlus that the battery lasts me a week. But Apple kills it with how smooth this thing is. This thing just runs and it works. So there are my final thoughts. All right. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.